we need to use our properties or learn how to use our properties to either separate out logarithms into smaller pieces or to put them together. In this one, it says write this expression as a sum and or difference of logarithms. So sum being plus, difference being minus. So we have a single logarithm here. We're going to separate this all out so that we have log of something plus, log of something plus, or log of something minus. So we have smaller individual little logs. Then it says express powers as factors. All right, well, first things first, this part right out here is restricting the domain of this function, because if we had anything, any x's outside of 0 to 1, this would not be a function any longer, a logarithmic function. It wouldn't be in the domain. So this right here is nothing more than a restriction on the domain. So don't worry about that. It has to be there for kind of like just for proper purposes, but we're going to just ignore it. The logarithm is our big focus here. Okay, when I look at this, the first thing that I see is that this is a big old division problem here. We have a log of two things that are divided. Well, we can pull those apart and separate them out using subtraction. So I'm going to rewrite this as the natural log of 5x squared cube root of 1 minus x minus the natural log of 4 times x plus 1 squared. So I literally took the top and took the log of that minus the log of the bottom. Now, let's just look at this first term here. We have the natural log of 5 times x squared times the cube root of 1 minus x. Did you hear me say times in there? Logs that are put together with multiplication should be able to be separated out using addition. So this can actually be three separate logs. So that would be the natural log of 5 plus the natural log of x squared plus the natural log of the cube root of 1 minus x. Then we have minus. Now here we have the natural log of 4 times x plus 1 squared. Again, did you hear me say times? Logs that are put together with multiplication, again, can be separated out using addition. So I could make this into two separate logs. That would be the natural log of 4 plus the natural log of x plus 1 squared. But now I'm subtracting off that entire thing. So I have to subtract off both of those. That literally means I have to distribute that negative. So don't forget about that. That should be a 2 there. Okay, now let's do some rewriting here. I know that I need to distribute out this negative, but you know what? This right here can be rewritten as something also. I'm going to rewrite the natural log of 5 plus the natural log of x squared plus the natural log of, I can rewrite the cube root as an exponent of 1/3. So I'm going to do that. We don't want to see the roots. And then minus the natural log of 4 minus the natural log of x plus 1 squared. We have separated these out into smaller logs. We don't have anything else multiplied or divided in any one of these terms. But we do have exponents. Each one of those exponents or powers need to be brought down as factors. So our final answer will be the natural log of 5 plus 2 natural log of x plus 1/3 natural log of 1 minus x minus the natural log of 4 minus 2 natural log x plus 1.